Hey, it's Brent with more of your responses to nice hair. All right, let's get into it. First one is, thanks. My mom said it would get all the ladies. I didn't believe her at first, but you're the proof. Okay, so I like where you're going with that. Just make sure that when you're saying it, you kind of say it like I did, but the vibe behind it is, look, I didn't believe her because my vibe gets the ladies. I mean, I get the ladies when I'm bald, when I shave my head. Like I'm sexy enough, just me, right? Like hair, no hair, whatever. So if you say it like that, that's very cool. And it's sort of like, yeah, you know what, look, my mom told me this would happen. And you're just proving that, in fact, all the ladies do dig me and dig my hair and blah, blah, blah. So love it, like where you're going, keep going with that. Next, you like my hair, eh? You may run your fingers through it, but be careful, I don't know you yet. Said with a shit-eating grin on my face. Okay, I love that one too, that's great. So it's like, yeah, it's obvious that you like my hair. I may allow you to run your fingers through it, but be careful. But you know what, I don't know you yet. So be very careful, be gentle, okay? Because most girls who run their fingers through my hair, they start pulling it, and then they pull me into the bathroom, and they always want to take me somewhere, right? So it's like that. So you got to be really, really next level about it. Okay, I love where you're going with that, though. Awesome. Next one. God, are you one of those girls who are into hair pulling in bed? Okay, so great. Selective hearing. Awesome. You could actually say anything about hair pulling, right? So the other things that come to my mind are, did you just ask me to pull your hair in bed? Did you just ask to pull my hair in bed? Right? So your hair, my hair, anything like that. Did you just ask me to, right? You could add anything you want there. I like where you're going with that. Good job. Next one. Is that the way you ask a guy to leave with you? Why don't you just ask me to leave with you? Right, like, is that the way you ask a guy to hook up? Is that the way you ask a guy to make out with you in the bathroom? Is that the way you hit on a guy? Is that the way you ask a guy out? Is that the way, right? Is that the way? Is that the way? Is that the way? ... Okay, and then you have to add, why don't you just ask me to ... Love it. Go that direction. Selective hearing. Okay, next one. I would reply, who styled yours? And if the eyebrow color didn't match the hair color, I would reply that your drapes don't match your rug. Yeah, exactly. So you're giving her a little shit back, right? Like, she says, nice hair. Well, who styled yours? Right? Like, and then like, what's the deal with the, your drapes don't match the rug. Like, are you blind or something, or what's going on? Now, don't go too far and be too mean, okay? Because that's not what this is about. This is about, being a little bit of a badass, and backing off a little bit, okay? But just proving to her for a moment that you can handle the shit test, okay? That's what that's about. Just proving for that moment that happens. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. Send me more responses, and I'll make more videos, okay? And if you want to know how to respond to any woman's shit test, or any shit test that they can give you, and build unbelievable, irresistible attraction, go to nomoreshittest.com. Talk to you later.